Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now we want to talk about guinea pigs. Guinea pigs. So I don't know, he's going to show us the guinea pigs, and also he's going to explain how they hatch, which kind of food they take, how they have survived in this kind of environment.
This is a guinea pig. Inaitwa kanyuru kwa Kiluya. Kanyuru. It's like a rabbit. It's not a rabbit. Ni kama panya. Na sio panya kwa haina mkia. But for me, I keep them just like for fun. I like them. Nazipenda the way they behave. They are so social. Hata zinanijua. Nikikuja hapa they scream. Maybe zikifikiria naleta chakula. Hata nikikuja tu hata kuziguza hivi. Si naweza iguza hivi na it's not running away. Imenizoea. They are so social. Na huwa zinajua watu. So I keep them. There's this type. Alafu nilisikia ukisema ati they hatch. They don't hatch. They give birth. They give birth.
They give birth.
Yeah. They give birth to 2 or 4 kids. Kama imekula tu vizuri, ikiwa healthy, it can give 4 most. 4 most, but mostly ni 2 or 3 watoto. So this is a female one. You know it's a female. Kiangalia iko na matiti.
Breasts.
Yeah, braids. Yeah. Iko na matiti hivyo, you know. It's a female.
So he's going to show us the next one.
Yeah.
The next guinea pig.
This one.
Wow.
This one is a male one. You see this one has a different color. But they are all the same. They are all the same guinea pigs. This is a male one.
Yes.
The one I used to cross with the other color.
Yes.
So that I get very beautiful marks. Zikizaa watoto wanakuwa na different colors. Yeah, wanakuwa very beautiful. Yeah, this is a male one. Kipanda inakaa karibu a month. Only a month inazaa. So in a year they multiply very fast.
Okay.
Yeah, in a year ukiwaweka in a year if ulikuwa nayo 2 you'll end up ukiwa na more than even 20.
I can see they're very clean, very clean.
Yeah, very clean. Hazipendi uchafu. Zenyewe zinatoa manyoya. Zinatoa manyoya. The old ones, unaona hizi zinaanguka. The old ones zinaanguka, manyoya nini?
The new
ones zinamea. Yeah.
So
zieka hapo.
Sasa ni wajanja kushinda hata rabbit.
You see, like this one is still young. This one is a young one. Hajafika age ya kufanya breeding.
How many months?
Ni karibu 2 months.
2 months?
2 months, yeah. Yeah, bado ni kadogo.
Yeah. Na unajua sasa watu wanaweza confuse between this guinea pig na rabbit. Rabbit mimi nimeona iko na masikio
ni kubwa. Rabbit pia iko na
mkia refu na miguu yake pia ni so unaona tofauti ni masikio na mkia
na pia size. This one is
and also the size.
Alafu hizi ziko very shy. Ziko very shy. That's why nimezieka huku ndani. Azitakangi kukua na zinazitaki kuona watu sana. Zinataka zikuwe na their privacy. Zikae peke yao.
Okay.
They like privacy.
Yeah. So I think that is all about guinea pigs. Or is there any other thing?
Feeding. zinakula tu kama sungura. Vitu sungura zinakula. Nakula even napier grass, matawi, grains, unaweka mahindi. They eat.
Na nimeona hapa nini, ventilation is okay. Na what about sunrise zinafika hivi?
Sunrise in the morning, jua inatoka huku juu. So in the morning they can get the sun. Huku ni hii wire. So the sun
sunrise.
Nawaka ndani.
Yeah, any other thing you want to tell us about what you've shared? Now, a challenge in general, looking after the guinea pigs, rabbits, at the same time pigs, at the same time doves.
Marketing ni ngumu when you have things to sell na una ready market ama una access to market. It's so hard. So in everything, if kungekuwa na better way ama better market, farming is so profitable.
Yeah. So if you're out there looking for guinea pigs, kindly use the comment section. You can reach him through his number. You tell us your number.
Yeah, people eat guinea pigs. For me, I don't eat them. But people eat. Yeah, the people say they are so delicious. Sweet.
Why don't you eat guinea pigs?
I eat rabbits, guinea pigs.
Mbona hujawahi kula? Why have you not taken them and you're rearing them?
Kuzihurumia tu.
Ni vile wako shy, yani wanapenda privacy yao.
So mimi sijawahi kula, but people eat them. Others, like for me, I keep them for just fun. And I sell to kids. Kids come, buy them, 300, 500. Yeah.
So if we want to order some rabbits from you or some guinea pigs from you, how can we find you?
011 40 885 71. You'll reach me.
That is good. And he's in Kakamega County, but just near Nandi County. It's just a walking distance to Nandi County. Yeah. So if you want to find him, kindly, you can also use my Gmail, puritysidika@gmail.com, to look for him. You can also look for him through his number he has given you. So let us support him. He's a good farmer. We have so much to learn from him. We have fish pond, of which I've not managed to take a good video of it, but I promise I will come back and take a video of it. Do you welcome me?
Yeah, there are also bees.
Do you welcome me?
Yeah, welcome.
There are also bees.
Yeah.
I need to take a video on them. Then the local ones, the local and wild bees, and how to harvest honey. So if you're following us, if you're following our farming tips, kindly like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, because it will give you a notification that you have posted a new video. So follow us, follow him. Well, your social media handles. Can you tell us your name?
Stanislaus Chisia on Facebook. Yes, Stanislaus Chisia.
Stanislaus
Chisia.
Limi ni nzito man. Anyway, we have enjoyed. I've been here. It has rained, and we have had challenges recording. If you hear some some like noise, like rain, you just bear with us. So next time we shall do much videos for you to learn more, even farming, planting, what. By the way, he did not tell us, what did you study?
Crop science. Bachelor's degree. I did crop science, Nehru University. And I'm also doing masters in horticulture.
So he's informed. He's informed. He's very informed. So follow us. Goodbye.
Bye.
See you in my next video.